Morning students, our lesson for today is all about the different equipments, tools, and utensils commonly used in food processing. When we talk on equipments, these are the things that we use to provide specific service or functions in processing food. These are the following tools and equipments commonly used in food processing. We have number one, salinometer, that is used to determine the salinity of the brine to be used in curing the fish before drying. Second one, refractometer, used to measure the sugar concentration of sap and syrup of food. The third one, pressure cooker, an airtight utensils for quick cooking or preserving food by means of high temperature steam under pressure. Can sealer, used to seal tightly tin cans for canning purposes. This is the best method in preserving food, for it takes a longer period of time. The next, thermometer, used to check the temperature of the food during cooking. Another one is smokehouse, a shed or room for curing food by exposure the food or fish to smoke. We still have an anemometer. An anemometer, an instrument used in determining the velocity of the wind in sun drying. We also have weighing scale and balances used to measure the weight of fish and other fishery products. These are only few, but there are still some more tools and equipment used in food processing. We will take that up next meeting. That's all.